Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer all your Google Photos from one account to another. So let's go into Google Photos. As you can see, these are the photos that I have in my Google account. Since it's a test video, so I have a few photos right now. So this is the account I have all my photos in, and I'll transfer all the photos to this account. As you can see, there are a few photos in the device, but there are no photos in the cloud. So let's get back to this account. And here's the account. Now I'm going to transfer all of these photos to that account. So we're going to have to click on our profile on the top right corner. Then we're going to have to select photo settings. After that, we're going to select sharing, partner sharing. We're going to click on select partner. We're going to select which account we are going to transfer the photos to. We're going to select which photos we want to share. So I've selected all photos and starting date all time. So all time, all photos. Then we're going to click confirm. And as you can see, the invitation has been sent. So now I'll have to accept the invite from that account. As you can see, view invitation, and we're going to click accept. Now here's an option that you will be prompted, which will tell you to auto save the pictures. So make sure to get started and select save all photos and then confirm. When you select save all photos, then all of the photos will be saved in your account. So now we're going to get back. As you can see, these photos are now saved in your account as well. But there's a problem, which is that these photos are now consuming space from both accounts. So what we are going to do is we're going to go to the previous account, and then we are going to delete all of the photos from this account. So now the photos are only in this account, and it has been deleted from our first account. So let's go to the account, and as you can see, these photos are still here even though I have deleted them from the previous account. So guys, that's how you can transfer all of your photos from one account to another very easily. If you like this video, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.